Here at UTSC, breakthrough research lies at the very core of our experience. You may believe that the sciences are tedious and exhaustive, but we believe that the science curriculum should come alive for students, with classroom activities that reflect the investigative, creative, and social nature of science.
As fellow undergraduate students in an animal movement class, we have embarked on a collaborative adventure of discovery and hope to find something that is both interesting and meaningful to Canadians like you. Global warming is a very pressing matter that has piqued the interest of ecologists, climate change scientists, and regular folk all the same. It has very serious impacts on our world, including loss of sea ice, accelerated sea level rise, more intense heat waves, and a reduction in food sources, among other things. This would cause corresponding changes in animals, plants, and other living organisms. For example, this could change the habitat of birds, which are involved in pollination, pest control, and ecosystem regulation. Specifically in our proposal, we will be looking at the bar-tailed Godwit, which is the longest migrating bird with a non-stop flight from Alaska to New Zealand, covering a distance of 11,000 kilometers. This flight takes 8 days, so it is a very energy-demanding route. This energy comes from the fats the birds store for their monumental voyage. For this reason, we propose that climate change will impact migratory birds, specifically their physiology and migration patterns.
Using the methodology established by Sons and colleagues, we will measure the lipid content of a bird through its migratory path. We will also measure the cost of transport, which is the energy required to travel their migratory route. We will record changes every year of lipid content and cost of transport, and we expect to see a decrease in migration due to higher temperature and therefore greater food source availability. Less migration requires less lipids, which are the fuel powering long flights. We will be using the bar-tailed Godwit because it has an impressive migratory flight, making it an ideal species for change in migration.
Now, why should you care about our proposal? In general, we assume with an increase in temperature across the globe, there will be less need for migration. For us Canadians, a major implication is the effect on our Canadian geese. As David Suzuki said, we must reinvent a future free of blinders so we can choose from real options. This can be interpreted as, with continued research, we can use novel approaches to tackle current and future issues. So if you would like to support our proposal, please share this with your friends and don't forget to like the video.